this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change outfits in Hollow Knight. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. By default, you will not be able to change to various different outfits, especially custom ones in Hollow Knight. So to do this, you will have to download mods. I'm certain that it is going to work for the original Hollow Knight game on PC, but for consoles, I'm not sure if this is going to work. So this mod manager is available for the original Hollow Knight game on PC. I'm also not sure if it works for Silksong, but if you know the answer to that question, please let us know in the comment section below. First, you will need to download Scarab. This is a mod manager, so by using this tool, you will be able to download and install various different mods, including custom outfits. So look for Scarab Hollow Knight on Google. You will find it available on 56 GitHub's page. So go to this website, click here to get the latest release. You download the zip file for either Windows, Mac, or Linux, and you run the executable. So first, inside of Scarab, you have to look for Custom Knight. You can download Custom Knight by looking for it on the search bar and then enabling it, so make sure that it is toggled on. You can also look for Custom Knight Plus, which is going to add even more custom skin functionality. Once this is enabled, you can go ahead and run the game once. When you run Hollow Knight, if you go into the options, you will now see the mods category. It might take a while the first time that you run Hollow Knight with Scarab, so just wait. And then once you go inside of mods, you will see Custom Knight options. In here, you will be able to select your skin. The skins that the game is going to see are going to be the ones located in the skins folder. So choose the option to open the skins folder, and in here you will drop your custom skins. So you will have all of them as a folder. So each folder contains a skin. You can download these skins on all sorts of places, and the website that I recommend is hkskins.art. So go to this website, or you can look for this person's list. So look for Colette MSLP's list, and you can also find a bunch of skins there. You will see all of these skins available, custom ones. All that you have to do is click on them and then download the folder containing everything. Once you have the folder, place it here. Now, if you go back inside of the game, first choose Fix or Reload if you haven't restarted the game after dropping the folder containing the skin, and then it is going to appear here after you reload it. So just choose the custom skin that you dropped in that folder, and you will be able to use it inside of the game. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.